The trademark of a naturopath is his medicine closet. Actually, the bottles here don't contain medicines. Medicines would be more tightly controlled. These are herbs and plant extracts. The only thing added to them is alcohol. Naturopaths say the concoctions are helpful in treating a host of ailments.
For instance, here is a medicine that comes from a plant called Crataegus that we use a lot for heart problems, irregular heartbeats, hypertension, high blood pressure.
Now, can you cure these things, the heart problems, the hypertension, the colon problems you just spoke of, without the aid of a orthodox physician?
Yes, we do.
While naturopaths say their approach to good health can improve almost any illness, they don't claim to be cure-alls. In fact, Rifkin says he often refers patients to MDs and specialists, and sometimes the orthodox doctors reciprocate. But the established medical world says patients should still see an MD before trying the alternatives.
If nothing else, it gives a false sense of security to the patients, and they may ignore something very important until it's too late. We see not infrequently cases of cancer that have gone ignored until they're beyond cure because the patients were receiving some kind of alternate care. And that's the thing that really hurts.
Others in the medical world take an even dimmer view of the natural cures.
I feel that there's probably very little use for naturopaths. I see no place for them in the scheme of things, frankly.
Although a naturopath wears a white coat, must study his science for 2 to 4 years and pass a state examination, he still isn't included in the elite class medical doctor.
Well, it's never been considered the practice of medicine. So the legislature has never said this is a practice of medicine.
Beside the legislative definition, naturopaths claim the division between them and traditional medicine is an 80-year-old conspiracy promoted by drug companies that feared losing sales of their synthetic substances. The wide acceptance and use of naturopaths, they claim, was forgotten in the early 20th century and since ignored by orthodox medicine.
Well, I think it's a lack of their understanding of what a naturopathic physician is. And also, I think you get into a lot of politics that are involved.
The country's renewed interest in the natural has spurred the naturopath's business. Clientele includes athletes and arthritics.
You treat arthritis?
Yes, we do. We've treated him quite a bit for low back pain.
He's reduced this. This used to be in bad shape. And it's practically painless now. Had very little trouble with it.
That was arthritis?
Yeah.
Some of the other healers say traditional medicine's distrust of the alternatives has gone too far, even that the American Medical Association is out to destroy them. That has prompted a lawsuit between chiropractors and the AMA. We'll get into that tomorrow, along with a look at chiropractic. Randy Ripplinger reporting for Channel 2 News.